So you're a designer or a creative person looking to scale your business with some awesome design tools, but you have a rather limited budget. I get it. When you start out as a designer, it's all sunshine and roses until you realize how many subscriptions you have to buy to keep up with all the tools that you need to run your business. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 of my favorite design tools that I use in my own web design business. So whether you're a designer or a creative person looking for awesome tools to use in your own business or your own creative projects, then you're definitely gonna love these because not only they're fantastic, but they're completely free. So let's dive right into them. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra, a web designer, and in this channel I create content around design tutorials, business tools, and in general my own journey as a content creator. Today I'm very excited to share some of my favorite tools that I use in my own web design business that I thought you might benefit from if you are a fellow web designer, a graphic designer, or just a creative person in general. So let's dive right into them. My first tool is Inkscape. Inkscape is a powerful open source vector graphics editor, perfect for creating scalable graphics and illustrations. I would say that it's pretty comparable to Adobe Illustrator. I remember when I started my own web design journey, first thing that I thought is I need to get a subscription to the Adobe suite because everybody uses Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. But then I quickly realized how expensive that was gonna get, especially for me who I don't really have any promotions. I'm not a student, so I wasn't gonna get any type of discounts. I just had to pay the subscription for what it was. And on top of the other subscriptions that I'm already paying. So after doing some research and watching some YouTube tutorials, I ended up coming across this awesome tool that I've been using so far, and I absolutely love it. So I use Inscape specifically in my web design business to create or design logos, icons, graphics, illustrations. I think Inscape provides a very intuitive interface with a robust array of tools. So by using something like Inkscape, you can actually customize your logo design or your illustrations and your graphics with a wide range of tools and effects, and export them in various formats for web and print. So I actually highly recommend you check it out. It's free to download. As far as learning how to use the tool, there is a bunch of tutorials you can watch on YouTube. I actually watched a couple of YouTube tutorials. If I find the YouTube tutorials, I will link them in the description below. And I will also add the link where you can download Inscape into your computer in the description below. So make sure you check that out. Okay, my second tool that I highly recommend is actually a very popular one that you may have already heard about, and it is Notion. So Notion is a free and all-in-one workspace for note-taking, project management, and just in general a collaboration tool that you can start using completely for free. All you need to do is just go to Notion, just log in, create a free account with your email address, and you can right away start using the platform. You can organize, collaborate with your team if you have a team of people that you work with or clients in real time. You can share design inspirations. You can manage projects, keep track of tasks seamlessly, and a bunch of other features and elements that it provides you with. I personally use Notion in my own web design business to help me with all the onboarding process for the client. So when they first sign up for a project with me and they don't have their content ready and there's just some information that I need to get from the client, I will share their client portal, a brand questionnaire, and a content guide template that I share with them so that they can easily provide me with the content for their website. I share my content guide dashboards that I use through Notion, and they can start easily putting the content for their homepage, the About Us page, their services page, and all the other pages that they need content for on their website You can create a free account with your email address, and if you are planning on sharing the content or adding team members, I think with this free option you can have up to 10 different users added to one workspace. So that is the only thing if you are working on maybe multiple projects at the same time, or you're planning on sharing your content with more users, that you may want to think of upgrading to a subscription. But right now I'm not taking a huge load of clients, and 10 users for me is more than enough. I haven't had any issues so far with the free account, and again, I absolutely love the tool. Okay, the third tool that I absolutely love, and it is completely free to use, is the Responsively app. It's actually an app that you can download in your computer completely for free, and it allows you to simulate how a website looks and behaves on various devices, including desktop, tablet, and smartphones. I love using the Responsively app because I use Squarespace mostly to create and design the websites for my clients. So when you're designing the website, it provides you with a desktop view and the mobile view, but not with the tablet view. So with this app, I'm able to easily copy and paste the URL link of the trial site that I'm designing, and it allows me to see how the specific page that I'm working on looks and behaves across different device sizes. It allows you to see your design in real time and see if you need to maybe make some tweaks or some edits to make sure your design looks good across all devices, across all screen sizes. So highly recommend it. You can download the app in your desktop for free. You can start using it right away and start identifying any responsiveness issues that your design may need for a flawless user experience across all devices. The fourth tool that I absolutely love using as a website designer is the awesome screen recorder and screenshot extension. I absolutely love this tool because for a while I was actually using Loom, which is another very popular tool out there that allows you to screen record, call a presentation, or if you're trying to record a tutorial for a client or even for a YouTube video. But recently they decided to change their pricing and they upped their subscription to, I think, $12.99 a month or something like that. And now their free account, it's a little bit more limiting in terms of what you can do with it. I think you only have a certain number of videos that you can now have in your account, and you can only record videos for up to 5 minutes. With the awesome screen recorder extension, you can record videos for up to 6 hours. You can actually get up to 100 screenshots. You will have access to basic annotation tools. You can have up to 20 recordings in your account. It allows you to download your video in an MP4 format in less than an hour. You will have access to annotation tools while recording, and you can actually edit the video, which is something that I find absolutely awesome because I actually use this tool to record some of my YouTube tutorials as well, believe it or not. And so let's say that when I'm recording I make a mistake or I want to omit something, then I can quickly use their editor to change the video right there in real time. Although I can do it in my own editing process later on after I download it, this just saves me a little bit more time. Another fantastic thing that it does that I absolutely love is that it allows you to capture the full page preview of a website. And that is extremely handy to me as a website designer because I will use this to create different graphics or to add the screenshots to mock-ups when I'm trying to showcase some of my work to some of my potential clients. So in general, I really love the tool. If you're actually thinking, well, 20 videos is actually not enough for me, I need more videos because you're using it for, I don't know, multiple other things, then the pricing is actually not that bad. If you do decide to go with the annual subscription, you only end up paying $5 a month for the basic plan and $6 a month for the professional plan. If you choose the professional plan, you end up having unlimited recordings. You can record in a resolution for up to 4K, which is fantastic. So it's still, in my opinion, a very reasonable price range to have a tool like this if you are, again, creating content on YouTube, if you are using it to create some of the tutorials. Like in my case as a web designer, I record tutorials for my clients and send them to my clients during the website design project, or I will even use it to record some of my Zoom calls. If I don't have a subscription for Zoom, then I can use something like this to record those calls as well and then share them with my client. The fifth tool that I absolutely love using in my own web design business and in general as a content creator is Metricool. Metricool is actually a social media management and analytics tool that helps individuals and businesses manage their social media accounts, track their performance, and improve their engagement with their audience. I personally use Metricool in my web design business because as a web designer and just in general as a business owner, I have to wear different hats, and not only do I have to handle creating the projects and designing the websites for my clients, but I also have to do my own marketing at the moment. And that is of course through the social media platforms. So it gets a little bit difficult if you have many social media platforms and you want to try to put content out there and you have to log into different platforms at the same time. So using a tool like Metricool allows you to easily connect or link to all of your social media platforms, with the exception of LinkedIn. So if you have a Twitter account, a Facebook account, an Instagram account, and even a YouTube channel, you can link it to your Metricool account. Again, you can sign up completely for free, and you can not only see the metrics and have access to your data, but you can schedule your post. So I really love it. I actually started using it as of recently when I discovered, I think I watched somebody doing a sponsorship video on YouTube, and when I heard that they offer the free account if it's just for the individual user, I immediately signed up and I started using it to put my content out on my different social media platforms. So highly recommend that if you are struggling maybe keeping up with all the social media postings. You can link it up to your website if you are a little bit tech savvy and know how to do that, and you can schedule blog posts as well. So it can do a multitude of things. Highly recommended. So go ahead and check it out in the description down below. Okay, we have come to the sixth and final tool that I absolutely love and recommend, and that is Photopea. Photopea is actually a powerful photo editor that it's pretty comparable to Adobe Photoshop. I use Photopea in my web design business to edit and enhance images or graphics that I may use in my own web design projects. It offers a wide range of tools and filters all within your browser. So it's actually pretty cool because you can access the tool for free from within your browser. You will only see some commercials and advertisements right at the top of the page, but I haven't really had any issues with the tool while I'm working on a project or customizing an image. The advertising part has never been an issue for me or slow things down. I use it specifically to customize logos and add it to a mock-up or screenshots of a website that I'm working on and customize it and add it into a mock-up to have a more professional look and presentation to my client. So again, if you are looking to save some money, maybe you're in the beginning stages of your business and you want to use a tool comparable to Photoshop, then I highly recommend you check out Photopea. So there you go, 6 awesome and completely free tools that you can now add to your arsenal. That is it for today. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button below to continue to receive notifications on every video that I will be posting weekly and other helpful information. If you found this video valuable and helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comments below. Are you familiar with any of these tools? Are you using any of these tools in your own journey? I would love nothing more than to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you again so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.